Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 10th. So students, we were reading our chapter number 11 from the book First Flight. The name of the chapter is The Proposal, okay? And in the previous video, we have completed reading with our chapter, that is a play or drama, okay? So students, I am very much sure that you all must have enjoyed a lot while reading the play because it is full of humor, right? A lot of comic scenes are there. The entire play is actually full of fun, okay? Especially the climax of the play, okay? The ending scene of the play where Chubuko, right, वो क्या कर रहा है? He is just offering again champagne. Why? Because he just wanted to divert the attention of the other two characters, his daughter Natalia and their neighbor Lomo, right? And both the characters Natalia and Lomo, they are constantly indulged in that argument, in that heated argument, right? वो दोनों उस मैरिज प्रपोजल पे, अपनी मैरिज पे तो बिल्कुल भी फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं और वो सिर्फ क्या चाहते हैं, ओनली वन थिंग इज देयर इन देयर माइंड कि वो जो अदर पर्सन है वो उनकी बात से एग्री हो जाए, राइट? वो दोनों का ही ये कॉमन नेचर है कि वो दोनों हर चीज़ पे आर्ग्यूमेंट करते हैं और दूसरों की बात से एग्री नहीं करते, बट क्या चाहते हैं कि जो अदर पर्सन है वो उनके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से एग्री कर ले, ओके? और जो चुबुको है वो इस बात को बहुत अच्छे से अब जान चुका है, सो ही जस्ट वांटेड टू डाइवर्ट देयर अटेंशन, राइट? और वो बस ये चाहता है कि ये जो प्रपोजल है ये सक्सेसफुल हो जाए, उनकी मैरिज जो है वो किसी भी तरह हो जाए, ओके? वो सिर्फ इतना ही चाहता है, उसका फोकस सिर्फ ये है ताकि, और ये भी वो क्यों चाहता है, बिकॉज जो लोमो है ही ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम अ वेरी रिच फैमिली, फ्रॉम अ वेरी वेल्दी फैमिली, ओके? सो वो बस ये चाहता है कि उसकी जो डॉटर का मैरिज रिलेशनशिप है वो लोमो के साथ कंफर्म हो जाए, ये प्रपोजल अच्छे से सक्सेसफुल हो जाए, ओके? वो सिर्फ ये चाहता है। एंड नतालिया एंड लोमो, दे आर हैविंग नो कंसर्न about this proposal, about their marriage, but they just want to win the argument, okay? So इसलिए वो constantly उसी argument में involve है, indulge है, okay? So इस तरह से बहुत ही comical way में इस play को लिखा गया है। And with the help of this comedy, जो writer है, he actually he wanted to pay emphasis on this very prominent thing that is that can be seen in the rich family and wealthy families. And what is the thing? The thing is that instant of love, okay? Instant of true love or true likings, जो मैरिज रिलेशनशिप है, ओके? दोज रिलेशनशिप आर बेस्ड ऑन सम और अदर इकोनॉमिकल गेन्स, ओके? सो जो फैमिली का मोटिव्स होता है, स्पेशली जो कपल्स का भी मोटिव होता है, वो कहीं भी ट्रू लव नहीं है, ओके? बोथ द कैरेक्टर्स नतालिया एंड लोमो, दे आर नॉट हैविंग अ ट्रू लव फॉर ईच अदर, ओके? हमने पढ़ा था प्ले में दैट लोमो वाज थिंकिंग दैट नतालिया इज नॉट बैड लुकिंग, ओके? शी इज अ गुड हाउसकीपर, ओके? ही वाज नॉट हैविंग अ ट्रू लव फॉर नतालिया, ओके? सेम गोज फॉर नतालिया वाज नॉट हैविंग अ ट्रू लव फॉर लोमो, ओके? दैट्स व्हाई अगेन एंड अगेन ऑन पेटी इश्यूज वो इस तरह से क्वेरल कर रहे हैं, इस तरह से आर्ग्यूमेंट कर रहे हैं, ओके? और अभी भी वो अपने मैरिज पे, अपने रिलेशनशिप पे फोकस नहीं कर रहे हैं, बल्कि सिर्फ इस आर्ग्यूमेंट को विन करना चाहते हैं। सो बोथ द कैरेक्टर्स, बोथ द पर्सन, दे आर नॉट हैविंग ट्रू लव फॉर ईच अदर, बट स्टिल दे वांट दिस मैरिज प्रपोजल, दिस मैरिज टू बी हैपन बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू fulfill their some or other economical gains, okay? So this was the message that the writer wanted to convey to all of us. This was the very common tendency that can be seen, that can be found in rich family or wealthy families, okay? और जो writer है he very successfully उन्होंने ये बात जो है ये हम तक convey कर दी है और बहुत ही comical way में, बहुत ही funny way में, right? So I hope the play is very much clear to you all, and in today's video we will see the comprehension part, we will solve the questions. So let's begin. Question first. What does Chubuko at first suspect that Lomo has come for? Is he sincere when he later says, "And I have always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son"? Find reasons for your answer from the play. Okay, so in this question we have to tell first of all that when Lomo was there at Chubuko's house, right? So Chubuko को क्या suspect होता है? What was there in his mind that why Lomo is there? Okay, so जो Lomo आया था Chubuko से मिलने के लिए, wearing that evening dress, that formal dress, right? And he also mentioned that he wanted some kind of help, some kind of support from Chubuko, okay? So after hearing that, Chubuko जो है वो सारी possibilities के बारे में सोच रहा था कि क्या possibility हो सकती है, क्या purpose हो सकता है इसकी visit का, लोमो की visit का, okay? So what was there in his mind that we have to tell. Secondly, we have to tell that was he sincere when he says what? So this is a dialogue of Chubuko. The dialogue is, and I have have always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son. Okay, so this was the dialogue spoken by Chibuko. So we have to tell that when he spoke this dialogue, so was he sincere? It means we have to tell कि जब उसने डायलॉग बोला था, so क्या वो एक्चुअल में जो इसने वर्ड्स यूज लिए हैं my angel as if my own son, so क्या वो एक्चुअल में ऐसा फील कर रहा था? ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट we have to justify our answer, we have to give reasons, right? If we are saying that yes, he was sincere, then we have to give some reasons, and if we are saying that no, he was not sincere while he was saying so, then again we have to justify our answer with some reasons. Okay, so let's see the answer. Chibuko at first suspects that Lomo has come to borrow money. Okay, so in the beginning, at the first place, Chibuko was having this suspect in his mind that Lomo is there to borrow some money. Okay, because he was saying that he wanted his support and he was the only person who can help him, right? So ये सब सुनने के बाद Chibuko के माइंड में ये आ रहा था कि लोमो उससे कुछ ना कुछ मनी बोरो करने के लिए आया है. Okay, and secondly our answer is that he was not at all sincere in saying, and I have always loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son. Okay, so when he spoke this dialogue, he was not at all sincere, because after some moments Chibuko starts fighting with Lomo over petty matters. And how can we say so? So we have to give some reasons. So our reason is that we can say this because after some moments later only, Chibuko starts fighting with Lomo over petty issues. Okay, in fact he sides with his daughter in fighting with Lomo, and he, you know, obviously it was very obvious that he took his daughter Natalia's side on in this argument, in this fighting. Okay, so जब Natalia ने claim किया that Oxyrmetos belongs to her family, so Chibuko also took her side only, and he also claimed that yes, Oxyrmetos belongs to their family only. Okay, he even abuses Lomo, and in that argument he actually went to that beyond that. He actually, you know, abused Lomo. He calls him bad names, and he called him with a lot of bad names. This shows his insincerity in saying this flattering sentence. Okay, so with the help of all these reasons, we can say that he was not at all sincere, and all these reasons, they show his insincerity in saying this flattering sentence. So we can say that this dialogue, this was only a flattering sentence. Okay, he spoke this dialogue and these expressions like my angel as my own son just to flatter Lomo, right? Just to praise Lomo. Okay, next question. Chibuko says of Natalia as if she won't consent. She is in love. Again, she is like a lovesick cat. Would you agree? Find reasons for your answer. Okay, so in this question, one more time, we are given with one dialogue of Chibuko. The dialogue is as if she won't consent. She is in love. Again, she is like a lovesick cat. Okay, so this is a dialogue, and in this dialogue, he is talking about Natalia, his daughter. Okay, so we have to tell that Chibuko ने जो dialogue में बात बोली है that she is already in love. Okay, so we have to tell that do we agree with this thing that Natalia was already in love with Lomo? Okay, so we have to tell that, and later we have to give some reasons to support our answer. Okay, so if we are saying that yes, Natalia was in love with Lomo, so we have to give some reasons to support our answer, to justify our answer. And if we are saying that no, she was not in love with Lomo, then again we have to give some reasons. Okay, so let's see the answer. So students, you can write your own answer here also, right? So after reading the play, what is there in your mind, okay, about Natalia's character, so that you can write here, right? तो आपको play पढ़ने के बाद आपके mind में क्या चीज़ आती है, that you can write here, but just remember that you have to justify your answer with some reasons. Okay, so let's see. Yes, Natalia is in love. So our answer is that yes, Natalia was already in love with Lomo. This is clear in her behavior when she knows that Lomo came to propose to her. Okay, now we have to justify our answer. We have to give some reasons. So we can say this on this base, about the base of her behavior, right? When she knows that Lomo came to propose to her, right? So earlier she was totally unaware this fact that while Lomo was there, she was totally unaware with the purpose of Lomo's visit. Okay, वो उसको उस मैरिज प्रपोजल के बारे में कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं था, राइट? बट लेटर व्हेन चिबुको टोल्ड हर अबाउट दिस फैक्ट, और जब उसके बात पता चलती है, सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वाज हर बिहेवियर, ऑन दैट बेस वी कैन से दैट यस शी वाज इन लव विथ लोमो. ओके, व्हेन शी नोज इट शी स्टार्ट्स वीपिंग. ओके, सो व्हेन फाइनली जब उसके बाद पता चलती है दैट व्हाई लोमोज वाज हियर, व्हाई ही वाज देयर वेयरिंग दैट इवनिंग ड्रेस, ओके, सो शी स्टार्ट्स वीपिंग. She calls her father to bring him back at once, okay, and she in fact forced her father to bring him back, to fetch him back. She becomes desperate for him and she was behaving as if she was so desperate, she was so eager, right, to marry him. Lomo has gone out after the quarrel. She becomes hysteric, okay, and when Lomo he left the home, right, after that quarrel, after that fight, after that argument, और जब उसके बाद पता चलती है that why he was there in her home, right, so she becomes hysteric. She behaves like a mad person, okay, she was full of emotions and she was behaving very strange, very like a mad person. She was she was shouting, she was crying, she was yelling, okay, so she was behaving like a mad person and there was only one thing in her mind. she just wanted to marry Lomo, okay, वो बस ये चाहती थी कि लोमो वहाँ पे वापस आ जाए और वो आके वो उसको वापस प्रपोज करे जिस पर्पज से वो यहाँ आया था. सो वो आके वो उसे प्रपोज करे. सो दैट वाज द ओनली वन थिंग दैट वाज देयर इन हर माइंड. ओके, next question. Find all the words and expressions in the play the characters used to speak about each other and the accusations and insults they hurl at each other. Okay, so in this question we have to find out, we have to mention all the words, all the expression जो कि characters ने use किए हैं to accuse each other and to insult each other, right. दोनों सभी characters ने एक दूसरे को बहुत सारे bad names से call किया है, बहुत सारी बातें बोली हैं, एक दूसरे को accuse किया है, एक दूसरे को blame किया है. So we have to write all those expressions, right, we have to write all those words here. For example, Lomo in the end calls Chubuko an intruder, but earlier Chubuko has himself called Lomo a malicious double-faced intruder, right. So for example we can see that in the end of the play जो Lomo था वो Chubuko को intruder कहता है and earlier Chubuko himself called Lomo a malicious double-faced intruder. Again Lomo begins by describing Natalia as an excellent housekeeper, not bad looking, well educated, right. So all the words, all the expressions that these characters use to insult each other, to accuse each other, those expressions we have to write here in the answer. So let's see. Natalia calls Lomo rascal, the monster. So first of all Natalia ने Lomo के लिए words use किए थे rascal and monster. Chubuko calls him the villain, the scarecrow, the blind hand, turnip ghost. Okay, so these are the words used by Chubuko for Lomo. Okay. The stuffed sausage, the vision-faced from malicious double-faced intruder, right. Pup, milk shop, fool. So all these are the words that Chubuko actually used to insult Lomo. Okay, Chubuko calls Lomo's father as a guzzling gambler. Okay, and after that Chubuko ने उसके father को भी involve कर लिया था इस argument में and he calls his father as a guzzling gambler. Lomo calls Chubuko intruder, Natalia's mother as hump-backed etc. right. और जो Lomo था उसने भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंसल्ट किया था Chubuko को और उसने Chubuko के लिए वर्ड यूज़ किए थे intruder और Natalia की मदर को he described as hump-backed. Okay, so these are the words. Then think of 5 adjectives or adjectival expressions of your own to describe each character in the play. Okay, so in this question we have to write 5 adjectives to describe each character in the play. Okay, so there are 3 characters in the play and we have to write 5 adjectives from our side to describe their characteristics, right. So let's see. First character is Lomo. So for Lomo we can write some adjectives. So students you can write your own adjectives, right, to describe his character after reading the play. जो character है, जो personality है Lomo को, उसको हम कैसे describe करेंगे, हम कौन-कौन से adjective use कर सकते हैं to describe his character, his personality, right. So let's see. Weak-hearted, diffident, stupid, idiotic, cultured in dress etc. Okay, so these are some of the adjective. He was weak-hearted, right, वो बहुत ज़्यादा nervous हो जाता था, हर बात पे बहुत ज़्यादा excited हो जाता था. He was diffident means he was lacking some confidence. He was stupid, he was idiotic and he was cultured in dress, right. वो marriage proposal लेके आया था इसलिए वो बिल्कुल properly dress up होके आया था, formal dress, evening dress वो wear करके आया था. Okay. Next, second character is Natalia. So for Natalia we can write some adjective that she was quarrelsome, she was foolish, she was idiotic, she was unwise and immature and she was mean. Okay. Next is Chubuko. So to describe Chubuko's character, his personality, we can write some adjective like mean. He was assertive, he was low minded, he was abusive, he was also a quarrelsome character, and he was insensible. Okay, so they are some of the example. You can write your own adjective, you can add your own adjective here also, right? So after reading the play, आपके माइंड में क्या इमेज आती है इन सभी कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में, that you can write here. Okay, so students, we have completed all the questions. I hope all the questions and the play, everything is clear to you all. So students, we have completed all the chapters from our book First Flight. Okay, all the chapters and all the poems, right? So we have completed the entire book. I hope everything is very much clear to you all the poems, all the chapters. Okay, and in the next video we will start with our second book, second textbook. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.